Welcome to Zion.City project. Zion.City is where the Internet of People meets the Internet of Things. When we talk about the Internet of Things, we're not talking about what the Internet will be, but what the Internet should have been in the first place. Internet of Things is a solution to our personal and real-world problems. For instance, if we connect all the vehicles in the world to one network, we can reduce travel time and stop wasting time sitting in traffic. Right now in the US alone, people waste 7.5 billion hours per year on the road. Smart cars will help us live in the world with no car accidents or drunk driving. By optimizing our driving conditions, we will reduce pollution and waste of energy. Today, smart devices in your home can monitor your health and health of your loved ones. By monitoring inflammations in your body, we can prevent such disease like cancer and many other chronic diseases. Technology today can help people with heart problems predict heart attack 5 minutes prior to it happening and even call the ambulance for them. More than 30,000 people every year die from just a regular flu. This epidemic and many other virus outbreaks can be prevented if everyone had their smart devices connected on one network. With a safe and secure network, we can fight child pornography, cyber terrorism, fraud, and computer viruses. Possibilities are limitless, and all this is possible already today. Future is here. What we're missing is the network where we can share data safe, secure, and still keep our privacy. Zion.City is the first decentralized network of its kind. What we did, we combined Internet of Things with blockchain technology for maximum privacy and security. We powered it with artificial intelligence and smart bots for real-life optimization. It is written on Java language, so we can connect any device to it. But what we think our greatest achievement is that we have developed unique user interface design to optimize entire internet social sharing and messaging experience in one simple to use application. And now you don't have to be a computer savvy to take advantage of the modern technology. But the most important part is that our network is free for everyone and everything to join. Zion.City is a new decentralized social network and messaging system for the Internet of Things. It is built on a blockchain technology, Bitcoin, Ethereum alike, and powered by artificial intelligence to help you to optimize your daily process and daily activities so you can save time and money to do things you like, meet people, connect with people, and evolve through optimization. Well, you've heard many companies and a lot of corporations right now using artificial intelligence to optimize their business processes, and we decided to share this technology with you, regular users. Well, we're all busy and occupied with things. We have different messengers and different social networks, but it's really hard to get through to people when you need them. In this mass of information that we're sitting every day, it's really hard to find what data is important for us and react to things that are happening in real time. We decided to optimize entire internet, to optimize entire data input in your life into 10 different tabs. And today I'll show you the future of IT, the future of social networking, and the future of internet. First thing that you see on your screen is a gadget. We decided to optimize everything in 10 tabs. You don't need to build any more circles if everything organized in one place and it's easy and accessible, so you know what's where and when, and you can react accordingly to the messages that come to you.
Tab 1. Family.
First tab in our social network is, of course, family. Family is a cornerstone of any society. It's very important that we are aware of what's happening in lives of our kids, of our loved ones, or maybe of our parents. And in this family tab, it's like a private social network for your family. You can share pictures, you can share daily recipes, you can plan trips and discuss things that you care the most about with the people you love. Of course, we can input their parental control features, more like parental care features in this tab. Plus, you can connect different smartwatches and other devices to keep track of health and other sensors of what's happening with your kids. For instance, your kid has a high temperature, you'll receive a message in your family tab, you can react accordingly.
Tab 2. News.
Second tab is newsfeed. Of course, in every city we do need news. What do we need news for? It's simple. We need them to be aware of what's happening around us. So it's like a Facebook type of a thing, just regular newsfeed, We optimize it so you receive only data that you're interested in from people, acquaintances, friends, something that is not that important, but sometimes fun to look into and, share some other thoughts or simply share some other news that you might come across in your life.
Tab 3. Journal.
Third tab is journal. Remember back in the days, our ancestors used to have written journals. Journals were very popular throughout different cultures, and they really help emotionally when you share some thoughts in your journal. When you have nobody to talk to, it's very nice when you can get your journal and write everything to your journal. It will listen to it, it will never judge you. So we would like to bring that experience back into life. So we decided to create a journal tab where you can collect your hobbies, you can discuss, you can write your own blog. It's a next generation blogging and at its best. On top of that, with artificial emotion intelligence built in, if, for instance, your son or your child posting some very depressive thoughts or ideas without even reading their posts, our artificial intelligence will make an analysis of what's happening and will report to you and will tell you, look, your kid is very depressed, or your child has suicidal thoughts. So you can react and know what's happening in their lives. On top of that, you can share all this data, all your experiences for future generations. Our ancestors left different scripts, different stories of what's happened in their life, so we can learn from their mistakes and fix problems that they used to have. And it's very tangible information. It's a golden nuggets of information that we as a society right now can collect and leave it for our future generations. So journal tab is for you, for your hobbies and everything that you do.
Tab 4. City.
City life and everything that you do in the city. Of course, we go out, we go to the restaurants, we need to fix car, we need to do quite a bit of different activities, short-term mission statements per day. So City tab is very awesome. It's two-way, it's universal relations management software. If you're a business owner, you can post a page, you can create a page for your business and advertise your business. In our system, advertisement is different from traditional advertisement because you have artificial intelligence and bots. They will collect the data of how your business performs, and according to the data, they will suggest it to other users. For instance, you have an Audi car and you never fix it. So, best way to find out what the best place to go fix your car would be to call your friends. Right now, you don't have to do this. So the bot will talk to other bots, will analyze all these services that are available in your area, and will, through feedback, will analyze, who is the best in the city, what would be the best optional business to go to. So in this tab, you don't have to spend money on advertisement. You spend money to improve your services, improve what you offer to people, and based on this information, our search engine through bots will give always the right information to people who live nearby to you, and will help you to find what you like to do the best. You can call the cab, you can make a reservation to the hotel, or you can make a reservation to a restaurant, and it's very convenient, especially when you travel or you are in a big new city.
Tab 5. Organization.
We all have work, we all go to different, we deal with different organizations. It could be municipal, it could be our HOA, or maybe it's your personal business. So organization tab, it's a two-way CRM, so to speak. We call it the Universal Relations Management Tool. It's like a private project management tool that is powered with artificial intelligence. This way everything is automated. You build the tree, you build your staff system, builds the organization around your business type and help you to optimize content, who sees what. And you don't need to have now an IT guy to help you to provide rights for certain content to certain people. So if you're the boss, people join, you have your now private social network for your business, your messaging system, project management tool. Also, it will help other people find your organization, ask you maybe questions. You can use that for customer support and receive feedback from your clients, or post some comments or some great deals of what's happening in your organization, or if there's any other changes. So it's very, very simple to use. It does not require any additional money, and it's designed perfectly to serve as much as to small businesses, as much to huge corporations where it's 150,000 people. Especially if your organization has like 30,000 branches all over the world, it's really hard to keep track of how's everyone doing. With our system now, it is possible. It will help you to optimize your logistics. It will help you to optimize your HR department to its best. This has never been done before, but we achieved it through a simple cognitive architecture, and I will talk about it a bit later.
Tab 6, Instant Messenger.
Everyone needs an instant messenger, and instant messengers are very popular right now. Why? Because it's important that we receive messages in real time and we can respond to them. Well, our messenger is fundamentally different from everything else. Well, first of all, of course, it's decentralized and it uses blockchain technology, therefore it's super secure. On top of that, we don't really need to have any servers, we don't keep any private data. And in our system, you'll see where messages are coming from. They automatically separated and organized in 10 tabs, where people came from, whether it's your family, whether it's your organization, maybe somebody writes you regarding your journal or some other thing. So you don't have to create circles like you would do on any other social network. It automatically puts them in the right order. You can track down how many files they send you. Look into it. It's amazing. It's very convenient. Two-way CRM system, never been done before as well. For instance, you call your cable provider. You have to make 5, 10 different phone calls. They record your conversations and they keep them, and then you call back in a week and you tell them, well, listen, I have this charge on my bill, you told me you're going to take care of it, and they're like, well, whom did you talk to? I don't remember whom I talked to. Well, let's do this recording. In our instant messenger, you can record your conversation with customer service of any organization or people doing business, people to people. You can have notes. You can put notes, what was this conversation about? You can always keep track of it. So now, not only corporations have the power to record your phone calls for better services, but you as well have this power to prove your point, and you will see, who's the manager. If the manager is online, you can discuss with them in real time. You can do it over the voice. You can do it just chatting with them, but you'll know exactly what you've been promised, and that you can keep them accountable for what they have promised you.
Tab 7, Things.
Tab Things. Well, this tab is the most exciting part of our social network and messaging system. Tab Things is a social network for all the smart devices that you might have. It is obvious that if 26 plus billion smart devices will join the network within the next 5 years, we need a unified platform where they all can communicate with each other, they can communicate with us, their owners, and that they can get data efficiently. On top of that, the security is issue number one online and online privacy. This all can be solved through blockchain technology and decentralization. That's why we created a special tab such as Things, where we can have our smart devices share with each other the data that we need. All your private information is now stored on your devices, on your accounts, with artificial intelligence bot, and Tab Things also is going to be a home for your artificial intelligence bot that we call Eric, Eternal Ruler. And Eric bot will help you manage all your smart devices, manage all the data, and when you walk in the world and your devices get in contact with other devices, that they specifically share the data that they need to make your life easier. Eric bot is our invention. We've been working on optimization for quite some time, and this is something that we want to share with you. It's always going to be free, and it will evolve around you. Eric bot is like your Sputnik. It will evolve around your interests, around the things that you do, things that you have, things that you own, your security system, your smartwatches, your other private information. It will help you to be on your devices and monitor who uses, who gets access. It's your private gatekeeper who decides what information is important for you, what information to store, and which information to share. This is the only way how we can put things in right order. And for instance, I'll give you an example. In 2004, when I started to work as a search engine optimization specialist, I used the public software, and it would take me 8 hours to do 25 blocks. Within 6 months, I sat down with one of my programmers, and we optimized that 8-hour process in 1 minute 33 seconds. That's pretty significant. What would you do if you had an extra time? So throughout these years, I've been developing all kinds of bots, and so it came to the point where we needed to have some unified platform to have those bots, and I want to share those technology with other people to help them optimize their time, their daily activities, some of the processes, and so you can spend less time doing things and more time having fun. That's why we call it artificial emotional intelligence, because it's programmed and designed to help you save time and meet people, go out and do things that we don't have time to do, like to exercise or learn how to play guitar or maybe start painting. These things make us happy, but we are so overwhelmed with all the things that we need to do right now that we need something to help us sort these things out. So the tab Things will include all kinds of services like eBay or Craigslist, where you can post listings of your devices, where you can collect data. All the data that the Internet of Things can offer now can be handled in this tab. For instance, you want to sell a car, but you take it to a special services. So when you selling your car, you can have all the data available for your buyers to see what kind of filters, what kind of oil your car been using. Or if you're buying a car, that information would be even much better than Carfax. Also, you can sell your cell phones or other smart devices. So now we're gonna have more tangible data available to us upon our request. It's gonna be much easier to find the right things when we need them, and it will help us to have 100% online privacy. It will help us to have no security issues, and it will help us to optimize our life and daily activities to our maximum.
Tab 8. Money.
Tab Money. Well, we talk about blockchain technology and decentralization, so you probably already figured out that we are going to have our own cryptocurrency. We call it Altin, which means gold, and in Tab Money you will have your account, and you will have different features to mine this currency. Because we are decentralized, we're not going to have any servers around the world, so we want to spread this wealth among our users, so you can provide your own services like hosting, hard drive or processing power on your computers, on your devices, and that way you can mine our own currency. If you choose just to use it in the system, that is also a benefit for you. You can go ahead and buy digital content or trade things, buy things, and so on and so forth. Well, we're currently located in Kazakhstan, Astana, because an Expo 2017 event that's gonna have 3,000 different events within 90 days here in Astana. We already talked to different banks, so banks will help us to, exchange Altin to any other currencies. So, and comparing to Bitcoin, we use a blockchain technology 3.0, and it's different from Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's very similar to Ethereum, where you can have a contracts where we don't have anonymity in the system. All the transactions are not anonymous, but they are private. You see, you cannot function properly financially in the world where you don't know who you're dealing with, or you cannot prove in court whether you did something or not. So with our system, even though your data is private, you can now transfer huge amounts of money from one part to another. And if you do everything in a Goodwill, if you don't break any laws, you don't support terrorism or child pornography or any other things, and with blockchain technology, we can, verify who you are, what you do, then the future of global banking is a cryptocurrency. So with Altin, you have all these features. You have 100% private financial instrument, financial tool that can be used in the global economy, and it's our goal to build Altin this way. We're working here with one of the economics research institute with a few professors in economics who help us to design the homogeneous model of this coin, and it's very exciting. So it's something that's to look forward to, and we hope that we all can benefit from this. So Altin coin, cryptocurrency is coming, so be the first to sign up, be the first to support the project, and you will have an opportunity to be one of the first to mine that coin. Thank you.
Tab 9. Goodwill.
Tab Goodwill. Well, when you're organized with your things and your money and time, it's time to think about how you can help this world. See, we are the only creatures on earth that have been designed to be literally physically happy when we share things. Probably heard saying that back in the days we had less things, but we were much happier. No, right now we do have more things, but we're less happy because we stopped doing things that we used to do in the past, which is get together, help others, help each other, help in the communities, do block parties and things like that. Right now you live and you don't even know your neighbors. Well, we created charity. It's like a private network for all the good causes, for all the crowdfunding, for all the things you want to do. Right now with charity events, you donate money and 70% go to administrative expenses. So right now with the charity tab and with the help of artificial intelligence, we want to help all the organizations and regular people get together, get organized, manage their logistics, optimize all the processes so we can do right things and we can change the world, we can help this planet to be better, and then we can be aware of what's happening in our life. You see, with the Internet of Things now we can handle quite a few ecological problems, energy problems. With all of that, things can run more smoother, much more efficiently. We'll know where the outbreaks, where we need get together and fix something before it's too late. So we need to harvest the power of Internet of Things to make this world a better place. And Tab Charity is for you. And with all these great features that comes with Internet of Things, we can now manage it, optimize it, and run it way much more efficiently than we used to until our days.
Tab 10. Search.
Well, introducing Choose the Right Search Engine. Well, because all the data right now is in one platform and all the Internet of Things and all the things are connected under one system, it's easy now for your bots efficiently find you the right data, things that you need. It's a more advanced, more aware, more cognitive search engine that is fundamentally different from all the search engines that there are right now. For instance, right now Google works by sending a lot of bots out there that collect all the data and bring them all to center to their system. Well, you don't need all the data of the internet. Now your private bot does all those functions like small bots of the Google, but it collects and analyzes data that's around you, the data that you need. So it knows exactly what you need. So instead of collecting all your data and giving it out to a Google or to Facebook, you keep all that private data. Only you know what you need and your bot knows what you need. So you see, it's very important because most of these systems like Facebook and Google and other web applications are making money from serving you advertisement. So they're trying to collect all the data that you do and they try to keep you online so they can serve you more advertisement. With our system and with our search engine, it's fundamentally different. We want you to go out there, to go in the real world, create real-time events, and based on that data, we send you in the world to be more efficient. So Choose the Right Search Engine is like your compass. It's like your navigation in the world of information and in this world. So whatever you do, you come home fast and safe. So you always be aware of things that you need in the right time. So it's very incredible. It's something that we're still working on. It's very amazing of what we can achieve. We use nonlinear mathematics and we use artificial intelligence. And when we see bots communicate with each other, it's just magnificent what kind of information we can get. So Choose the Right Search Engine is for you. It's also something new, something fundamentally different, and something that will be always for free. Well, Zion.City is fundamentally different project. It's very hard. It's been several years in making, but right now we have about 20 people office. They're smart kids from different areas who speak different languages, from different countries, different religions. All those differences are our strengths. This makes us what we are. We all came together and we ask you to join our project because of who we are. Zion.City is meant to remind us who we really are. Who am I? Well, I've been a search engine optimizer. I've been a search engine professional for about 12 years. I do many things, but those things make me what I am. Who am I? I am who I am. I'm the father, I'm the son, I'm the brother to other people, to all living things, and to this world. We are all fathers and sons, brothers and sisters, mothers, daughters. We are children. Children of this planet, children of this universe. And in this project we want your help because we put all our resources into funding this project and we do our best. But of course, to bring a system that is so fundamentally different and decentralization always the way to optimization,
to bring that system to life takes lots of resources. So we talked to different big companies, but few of them didn't want that project because they don't know how they can take advantage of people with it. But this project, we do it in a goodwill. We want to share this technology to help you, to help your children live better, live healthy, and help all those things bring together so we can work together for greater good of this planet. And today we need your help. 6 months from now, we're going to have a better version of this software that you can download, test, and start using it. It's a very good professional tool with a simple UI UX. You can subscribe to our channel and see how the process will go. If $1 donation will make a huge difference. Each vote counts, every person counts, and this Zion.City is a home for everyone and everything. It's never been done before in life. It's powered by altruistic algorithms and non-linear mathematics. And it's very interesting, very exciting project that can help us optimize our healthcare, education, many other things. We call upon you as children of this world that we need help, we need your support, we need your interest. You do a great difference if you just like our video, if you subscribe to our channels, to our Facebook page, if you share this project with somebody else. Zion.City is the future of the internet. Zion.City is a doorway to heaven on earth, and we're here to deliver it. We're already making it, and remember this day, because from this day on, the world as you know it will be no more. Thank you. My name is Will, and I am Chief Architect of Zion.City.